Hello YouTube and welcome back to the show. 1200 CHD Harley Sporty Bob coming at you with another video here with Moto Snitch at the Sketchy Garage, hanging out with the boy. Yep, let's see what's happening with this big project here. Well, reveal gasket leak. Look how bad it is over here. Sorry about that. That looks gross. Well, and that's why I'm here at the Sketchy Garage, getting things done. There's only one problem. As you can see, the Sketchy Garage stand, a few bricks, garbage bags so we won't scratch anything, another brick on the kickstand, not the sidekick. The sidekick's gone. So yeah, how you like them apples? Sketchy shit, right? I ain't kidding. And if you seen it all, you haven't seen nothing yet, because I'm preparing you for that. Yep. Anybody could tell me what this is? That's some sketchy shit. What are you gonna do with that, Moto Snitch? I'm gonna jack the bike up so we can put it in 5th gear as soon as I find the jack strap that will hold the weight of Moto Snitch. I know that beam will. I know that mop will. I know that crane manual lift will. It's let's see what it is. It's a capacity of 1,100 pounds. Enough for Moto Snitch to have fun on and hang out in the middle of the air while I work on him. Yep, at the Sketchy Garage, Moto Snitch. Yeah, I'll be back with you in another video and how the torque specs will be on this top end gasket rebuilt thingamajiggy. Thanks for watching. Moto Snitch signing off. Later.